Good day students. Today we are going to start permanent tissue of class 7 biology. Permanent tissue is derived from the division of meristematic cells. The cells of permanent tissue are mature and differentiated, so they do not divide. Except meristems, we can find it in all parts of the plant. Now coming to the types of permanent tissue. First is simple permanent tissue. As it is simple, it is made up of only one type of cells. It is of two types, protective tissues and supporting tissues. Protective tissues, from its name only we can understand, it provides protection to the plant parts. Protective tissue is again subdivided into two types, epidermis and cork. They are made up of thick-walled cells. Now look at this picture of epidermis of leaf. It is the section of a leaf. Here this is the upper epidermis of leaf and this is the lower epidermis of leaf. Now this leaf epidermis, it secretes a waxy and waterproof layer which we call as cuticle. And cork, it is made up of dead cells. We can find cork only in woody dicot stems. Now, supporting tissues. Supporting tissues, they provide support and strength to the plant body. It is of three types, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Now parenchyma that contains chlorophyll is called chlorenchyma. Now I will show you the pictures of these three types of tissues. This is the parenchyma. Here cells are oval and here intercellular space is present. Cell wall is thin and within cell vacuoles are present. This is collenchyma. Here the cell wall is thick at the corners, so there is no intercellular gap and cells are of elongated shape. This is sclerenchyma. The cells are of dead type and cell wall is also thick, but the thickness is regular. Throughout the cell wall it is thick. Now coming to the next type of permanent tissue, that is complex permanent tissue. Complex permanent tissue is made up of more than one type of cells. It is called conducting tissue. Conducting tissue is also called vascular tissue as it is present within the vascular bundles. This vascular tissue is of two types, xylem and phloem. As they are parts of conducting tissue, the xylem it conducts water and phloem it conducts food. Now coming to the components of xylem and phloem. Xylem it is made up of four types of cells, xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem fibers and xylem parenchyma. Among these, only xylem parenchyma is living component and rest three are dead components. Now phloem. Phloem is also have four components, sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers and phloem parenchyma. Among these, only phloem fiber is the dead component and rest three are living components. Now I will show you the pictures of these components. This is xylem tracheid. This is xylem vessel. It is pipe-like, and through this, water and minerals are transported from the roots to the leaves. This is xylem parenchyma, and this is xylem fiber. So these are the components of xylem. Now the components of phloem. These are the components of phloem. Among these, this is the sieve tube. This is the companion cell, and this is the phloem parenchyma. Within the sieve tube, there is a plate-like structure. This is called sieve plate. And through this sieve tube, the food is transported from the leaves to the other parts of the plant. Now again, I will show you the whole chart for recap. That's all for today. Thank you.